Hello students, welcome back to the EVS class. Today we are going to start our next chapter. Chapter number is 7. The food we eat. Okay, open your books students. Very good about the chapter. You have learned that we require food to stay alive. Food provides us with energy and helps us to grow. In this chapter, you will learn about what happens to the food in the mouth, how food is digested in the body and then used by the body, reasons for shortage of food, hunger and diseases and balanced diet. Okay students, आज का हमारा चैप्टर बहुत अच्छा है। आज हम फूड के बारे में पढ़ेंगे और ये भी जानेंगे कि फूड हमें कैसे हाइट ग्रो करने में, हमारे बोन्स को स्ट्रांग बनाने में हेल्प करती और कैसे ही हमें डिजीजेस से दूर रखती है। ओके, नाउ स्टार्ट द चैप्टर। We eat different kinds of food to get energy and to grow well. But the food we eat cannot be used by the body as it is. It has to be broken down into simpler, soluble forms that the body can use. The breaking down of food into simpler form is called digestion. First topic in this chapter, how is food broken down into simpler forms? Digestion starts in the mouth itself. The mouth consists of the following parts. Look at the tongue. Look at the picture also. It is a muscular organ that helps to move the food in the mouth and taste it. It's a muscular organ that helps to move the food in the mouth and taste it. Tongue also helps us to speak. It has taste buds that help to identify food taste. Sweet, salty, sour and bitter. Now, teeth. Look at the picture also. Teeth. They give shape to the face and help to break down food. There are 4 kinds of teeth that perform different functions. Incisors help to bite food. Canines tear food. Premolars chew it. And molars grind the food. Look at the picture students. Kind of teeth. Saliva. A liquid that is secreted by the salivary glands in the mouth is called saliva. Saliva makes the food moist and softens it. It helps to convert starch in the food into sugar. That is why bread tastes a little sweet after you chew it for some time. Glucose is the simplest form of sugar and can be easily absorbed by the body. If the sugar level in the blood becomes very low, we feel weak and can even lose consciousness. The doctor injects glucose into body through a drip or sometimes glucose is given orally. The food from the mouth goes through the esophagus or food pipe into the stomach. Several digestive juices produced by the stomach help in digesting the food. The food remains in the stomach 3 to 4 hours. Proteins are digested here. From the stomach, the food goes into small intestine. The food is completely digested here. The digested food passes into the blood. The digested food passes into the blood through the walls of the small intestine and is circulated to every cell of the body. Undigested food goes into the large intestine. Water is absorbed here and solid waste moves to the rectum and is thrown out from the anus. Look at these pictures of the students. Do you know, can you speak without moving your tongue? With which teeth do you bite a pear? With which teeth do you chew chapati? Do you know anyone who has been given glucose? Now come on the next topic. Food is precious and should not be wasted. Food is often seen left uneaten in plates in marriages and parties. This is not a good practice. Millions of people in the world do not get enough food to eat and die of starvation every year. The extreme shortage of food that cause diseases or even death is called famine. Wastage of food can be prevented by taking only the required food. Food like dals and rice should be stored properly to prevent them from being spoiled by rodents. Now come on the next topic. What are the reasons of food shortage? Natural calamities. Natural calamities like earthquake, drought and flood cause damage to crops resulting in the shortage of food. Improper storage. If food is not stored properly, it gets spoiled resulting in shortage. For example, if grains are not stored in moisture-free and safe places, they get spoiled by small worms called weevils. Ants are eaten by insects and rodents. Shortage created by man. When crops are damaged due to natural disasters, the government releases the grains that are stored in the godowns into the market. Some traders buy these grains in large quantities and store them to create artificial shortage. They sell them later and at much higher prices to earn profit. This results in people not getting enough food in spite of the government making it available in the market. Okay, next topic is how are hunger and diseases related? Many diseases are caused when people do not get enough of food to eat or do not eat the right kind of food. Deficiency diseases is a disease that occurs due to the deficiency of a nutrient in the diet. Malnutrition is a condition that occurs when a person does not get enough food to eat. Look at the picture. Child suffering from malnutrition. Next topic is protein carbohydrate deficiency. Carbohydrates provide energy while proteins help in the growth and repair of damaged cells. Marasmus. This disease occurs due to the deficiency of proteins and carbohydrates in the diet of a child below the age of 1. As a result, the child has stunted growth, wrinkled skin and suffer from diarrhea frequently. The diseases can be cured by giving a diet rich in carbohydrate and proteins, egg, fish, sugar, potato, etc. Look at the picture, students. Kwashiorkor. The disease also occurs due to the deficiency of carbohydrates and proteins in the diet. It is common in children who have not been breastfed properly. The child has low appetite, swollen belly and reduced growth. Such a child should be fed pulses, eggs, skimmed milk, porridge, etc. Look at the table, student. Deficiency diseases, their importance and so to acquire them. First table is nutrient importance deficiency disease sources. Vitamin A, healthy eyes and good skin. Night blindness, carrot, spinach, fish, mango. Nutrient vitamin A, importance, healthy eyes and good skin. Deficiency diseases, night blindness, sources, carrot, spinach, fish, mango. Vitamin B, normal functioning of nerves. Deficiency diseases, beriberi, sources, peas, milk, meat, eggs. Third one is vitamin C, healthy gums and for healing wounds. Deficiency diseases, scurvy, sources, amla, lemon, orange. Fourth one is vitamin D, strong bones and teeth. Deficiency disease, rickets, sources, fish, milk, eggs, sunlight. देखो बच्चों, इस टेबल में आपको ये बताया गया है कि आपको न्यूट्रिएंट क्यों लेना है और इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है उस न्यूट्रिएंट को लेने का, और आपका थर्ड टेबल में लिखा है अगर आप न्यूट्रिएंट नहीं लेते हैं तो उससे आपको क्या बीमारी हो सकती है, और सोर्सेज कि अगर आपको वो न्यूट्रिएंट चाहिए तो वो कौन सी सोर्सेज से आपको मिलेगी. कितने सारे वेजिटेबल्स और कितने सारे ऑयल्स और बहुत टाइप्स ऑफ फ्रूट्स के बारे में यहाँ पे लिखा गया है. इसको आप अच्छे से टेबल लर्न करेंगे और मैं आपसे नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में पूछूंगी. चलो अब हम अपने आते हैं अगले टॉपिक पे, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे. What is a balanced diet? To stay healthy and to grow well, it is important to eat a diet that contains all the nutrients proportions. A balanced diet is one that contains all the nutrients, water and roughage in the right amount. Water helps to regulate the body temperature, helps in the digestion and is part of the digestive juices. Look at the balanced diet chart. Do you know why do you feel more thirsty in summers than in winters? Do you eat a balanced diet? Can you name 5 nutrients present in food? Roughage. Roughage is the fiber present in the food. It has no nutritive value but helps the body to eliminate waste. A balanced diet varies according to age, gender and the type of work a person does. So it is important to think before eating. It is very important to eat the right kind and quality of food to stay healthy. Okay students, now here we conclude our chapter with the remember points. Digestion is the breaking down of food into simpler forms that the body can use. Digestion of food begins from the mouth and then moves to the stomach and small. Digestion of food begins from the mouth and then moves to the stomach and small intestine. Undigested food is present in the large intestine that is finally thrown out from the anus. Food is precious and should not be wasted. The various reasons for food shortage are natural calamities and artificial shortage created by man. Hunger and diseases are closely related. Deficiency diseases occur due to the deficiency of nutrient in the diet. Malnutrition occurs when a person does not get enough food to eat. Okay students, here we end the topic and we will meet in the next chapter with new chapter. Take care, keep study and bye-bye.